George Willis Ritchey is best known for the Ritchey-Cretan optical design and being an optician for astronomical optics. He was also fluent in mechanics and thermodynamics of the mirrors, telescope structures, and observatory. He was often ridiculed for being too concerned with small details, which others said didn't matter. He proved understanding details matter because his telescopes produced higher resolution visual views and images. His broader knowledge and perspective was focused on installed performance, not following what had been done for hundreds of years. This focus led him to develop lightweight mirrors in the 1910s to address the mechanical, optical, and thermodynamic performance losses from mirrors. In 1928, Ritchey wrote, "We shall look back and see how inefficient, how primitive it was to work with the thick, solid mirrors, obsolete mirror curves." This video shows facecam data for two more Dream thin-featured zeroDELTA lightweight mirrors for the new Gen 5 athermal telescopes. No features on these mirrors are thicker than 3.2 millimeters. The ultra-fast equalization eliminates both types of historic thermal performance loss. These mirrors have an edge height of 63.5 millimeters, or stiffness that allows diffraction-limited performance we can see in our testing. These lightweight mirrors are engineered, cast, annealed, then fully processed inside Dream. We have over 2 decades of heritage with lightweight mirrors. Please watch the previous short video for more details about how Dream is testing and properly finishing these cutting-edge mirrors. We'll look at the last 10 figuring sessions for 16-inch U31. Unless otherwise noted, the data is showing the full 418mm optical surface. This is showing the full 418mm optical surface. Masking down the mirror to 406.4, 16 inches, slightly increases the Strel ratio. Now we'll look at the last 7 figuring sessions for 16-inch Unit 32. Unless otherwise noted, the data is showing the full 418mm optical surface. This is showing the full 418mm optical surface. Masking down the mirror to 406.4mm, 16 inches, slightly increases the Strel ratio. There will always be a better mousetrap, just as there will always be traditionalists who fear change. Performance never fears change.